Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to get bot lobbies in Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 1. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing to do is to create a new account and then try to open this email on another device that you have access to. So you should have both the emails on in the same time, and then make this new fresh email request to join your party. And after adding the new fresh account to your party, all you have to do now is to go to a normal battle royale game or zero build and go make it unranked, and make sure to make it no fell and choose squad. But you have to do all these steps while the new fresh account is with you in the party. And after that, all you have to do is to click on play and they will get you into a bot lobby. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.